What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Wish ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point and I've told you that we broke the previous bottom right here, and this means we might see lower price action, and basically it happened. And I've told you that we shouldn't break this support line at the level of $8.62. And it is also happened, and as you can see we have a double bottom pattern, almost to the tick double bottom pattern, and this pattern is extremely bullish, I have to say. So let's move this line to this level, and for now it is our lowest level so far. And basically when we broke this level, this previous bottom, it will invalidate our major targets right here at 1.618 at $24.39, and the most aggressive target right here at around $32.76 to $33.5. And let me show you that for now we have lower price actions. This means our targets will be lower. So first of all, our major target might be at this point, at around $23.57 mark. And our next target, let me show it to you. We almost to the tick have a confluence level with this previous all-time high. And basically it is a very good sign that we have this confluence level. So this means we are still very technical, and basically I have to say that this ticker is really promising for me, in my opinion. And in a minute I will show you why. So, and let's start with fundamental analysis. And first of all, let me give you a sneak peek about this company. ContextLogic Incorporated operates as a mobile e-commerce company in Europe, North America, South America and internationally. The company operates Wish platform that connects users to merchants. It also provides marketplace and logistics services to merchants. So, and let's continue with their financials. Their total market cap for now is $5.78 billion. They have a revenue of $2.87 billion with a negative net income of $807 million. They have a very good revenue growth of 33.67%. And they have a very strong cash position of $1.77 billion with a total debt of only $48 million. And the current ratio and quick ratio are very good, and it is 1.86 and 1.78 respectively. So from the financial standpoint, this company is very stable and very promising. The only concern that you might think is their negative net income. And this company has this negative income for about several years, and it might be a downside for some of investors, but they have consistently grown their segment on their total addressable market. And this means they reinvest all their profits in their growth. And yes, technically they spend more money to acquire new customers than they have profits from these customers. But in my opinion, it is just a matter of time when they will turn profitable. So, and let me show you this article. This article was published on Seeking Alpha on July 29th, and it's titled ContextLogic, more than a meme stock, it's a diamond GRP peak for booming e-commerce. And let me quote you the summary. The global e-commerce market is expected to nearly double by 2024, from $4 trillion in 2020 to $6.5 trillion in 2024, growing from 16% to 22% of world retail per Statista. Wish is the only big mobile-first play and main US off-price play, reaching out to value-conscious consumers with bargain products and a differentiated shopping experience. The company is relatively cheap versus the industry, maintains a fortified balance sheet, has strong revenue growth and may turn free cash flow positive soon. So, and I totally agree with this summary, and on top of that, let me show you their investor presentation, and I want to pay your attention just on a couple of slides. First of all, on page 14th, you can find this. Wish Local creates opportunities for brick-and-mortar partners. And this means in their Wish app, you can find your local producers, your local manufacturers, and your local stores, and you can order goods from them, and you can pick up by yourself. As simple as that. And it is a genius idea. And let me show you the benefits for every party that is involved in. Store benefits, digital storefront, online reach and discovery, increased foot traffic and sales. And it is very important for local stores. Wish benefits, local warehousing without owning any real estate, cost-effective fulfillment. And it is very good point because they can reduce their spendings and they can enhance their sales. And consumer benefits, product verification, faster pickup, more savings. And it is also very important because Wish is aiming for the customers who earn not more than $75,000 per household a year. So, and I think this might be very good potential catalyst for the long term, and they already have 7% of total Wish orders from Wish Local, and this is only one part of their business. So, and let me show you institutional investors. For now they have 204 total investors, 189 of them have a long position, 2 of them have a short position only, and 13 have a mixed position, long and short. And I have to say that the total sentiment among institutional investors is very bullish. As you can see, we have only green lines that was filed recently, and they invested heavily. I have to say, for example, on July 29th, this company invested more than $4.7 million in value in Wish. And $222,000, $250. As you can see, a lot of companies opened their position, or they increased their position to $21 million. As you can see, Avery and Company LLC. So the sentiment is very bullish, and that's why I think you can rely on this company as your potential long-term investment. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame and let me show you indicators. Right here, as you can see, we had bullish divergence, we had higher lows and we had lower lows on the price action. And basically from this point, we have a very good bounce, and basically from this point to our current price, we have more than 12% of upside movement, and we have a second touch of this support line, and this pattern from the technical standpoint is very, very bullish. We have more chances to go higher from this point than to go lower. And in my opinion, it is extremely important. So, what should we expect from this ticker? Let me show you a daily time frame again, and let me show you indicators. As you can see on the daily time frame on MACD, we are about to move to the positive side. This means this asset is starting to gain momentum, and in my opinion, this is the very lowest point. And what should you do if you want to invest in this company? Basically, you can first of all do your own due diligence, because due diligence is a must when you decide to invest. And then you can start to accumulate your position, but I have to say that you can always ladder your buys down, because as you can see right here on August the 12th, they will announce their earnings report, and this report might be a very good catalyst. But before this report, we might hover for quite some time in between these lines, or maybe in worst case scenario, we might even break this lowest support line. It is totally possible, but it's not so probable, I have to say. And right after that, if we'll see rather good financials, this point might be a pivotal point for this ticker, and from this point we might go up. And I already mentioned about new targets, and these targets are in play until this pivot holds, until this is our lowest point. So we have first target at around $23.57, and second target, most aggressive target, at around $32. But I have to say, it is very long-term targets. I think we won't hit them in a matter of next year. I think the most probable timeline for them is about 18 months, and our next target is all-time high. And let me switch to 4-hour time frame, because we have an all-time high on extended hours. And basically it is not all-time high, it is a swing high right here at the level of $16.6 mark. And we have to break all the resistances that are above our current price. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys next time. Bye!